One of the features of Java that is used to check your program at compile time is its type system. Java is a strongly typed language. This simply means that all data consists of two things, namely a value and a type. And the type determines what can be done with this datum and how common operators on it are interpreted. For example, compare 1 plus 1 to a plus bc. In the first example, the plus is interpreted as integer addition, so this expression will evaluate to the integer 2. In the second example, the plus is interpreted as string concatenation, i.e. you just write these strings one after the other. So a plus bc is interpreted as abc. There are two different kinds of types in Java, namely primitive ones, which are, well, the basic ones, integers, floating point data, characters, and booleans, and composite ones, which consist of several more basic ones. As an example, strings can be seen as a list of characters. Arrays similarly can be seen as lists of, say, integers, something else. And finally, there are literals. Literal values are the actual values of some type of data that might appear in your source code. So 0 or 574,489 or minus 12 are literals of type integers. Similarly, 29.2 minus 89.045, these are literals of type double, and there are others. Notice that the difference between a character and a string is that a string literal will be using double quotes, whereas a character is enclosed in single quotes.